Hi, today you're with Remediation Solutions. We have got a phone call on a job that the tenants were doing some demolition for remodeling, and they have opened up walls and they believe they have mold inside the walls, and so we'll be going in to look at the room to see how bad it actually is and see what needs to be done to take care of the mold situation that they have in there. Alright, we've looked at the job, we've went in, we've did an assessment on what it's going to take to remedy the mold that which they do have in there. We have noticed that, and we'll be going in and putting a vapor barrier up, and we'll be making another video to show as we go through the project how we remove the mold and take care of it and get it to a clean environment for the tenants so that they can continue their remodeling.